Thank you for calling from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you know the extension of the party you wish to speak to, dial it now. For the corporate directory, press pound. For reception, press 0. For any other...
By using the keys on your touch-tone phone, please enter the first or last name of the party you wish to reach. Press star at any time to return to the main menu. Please enter more letters. Your call is being transferred. Please hold. Hello.
Yep.
Hi. And we're an additive manufacturing and 3D rapid prototype parts service bureau. And I was calling to see if you'd be open to a 15-minute phone call with one of our account managers, or so they can explain in more detail about exactly what we do.
What's the name of your company?
The S. And what we do is we do prototypes, 3D prototypes, and we create like fully functional production and prototype parts that can also withstand air and fluid pressure.
I don't really have time.
Oh, well, we could schedule it in like a week or so if that would be better for you.
I see there's a what?
Yes. What we do is we actually specialize in producing like durable prototype and production parts with advanced additive manufacturing. We deliver precise, reliable components quickly. You know, we have a quick turnaround time, and we also help you streamline your product development and specifications. And I was just calling to see if you'd be open to that phone call, and, you know, maybe next week. Would that be a good day for you? It would only be a 15-minute call. Okay, great. It'd be like 15 or 20 minutes, just give or take. Are you available next Wednesday? Okay, would you rather have a morning or an afternoon? An afternoon. Okay, I have a 1 o'clock. Would that work for you? Okay, great. How about 2:30? Okay, 2:30. And you're Eastern time, is that correct? Okay. I'm just going to get a little bit of information from you, and then, we'll get that squared away for you, okay? And your is that, and then your last, is that how you say it? Okay, just making sure I have it right. And I have that as, and may I have your email? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I could barely hear you.
Hannon.
Can you spell it for me so I have it correct? And is the address?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, just making sure I had that right. And this information put in, it won't take me but another moment. The phone number that I called you on, okay, and do we need to, do you have an extension?
No, you can just.
Okay, just making sure I had that correct. Almost finished here, putting that in there so we can send you that email, for that, just for that phone call and confirmation. One moment, almost got it all in. Okay, so I have you for, February the 12th, 2:30 p.m., and that's Eastern Standard Time. I have your email. I have a phone number for you. Let me get that set, and then it's taking it just a moment. Okay. You'll get a confirmation message like in your email shortly. I just need to ask just a couple of quick questions if you don't mind. Do you have an in-house 3D equipment? Do you have in-house 3D equipment? No. All right. And do you know how often you are in need of rapid prototyping parts?
Something we use regularly.
Okay, so you do it regularly, but you do use it quite often. Okay, great. And then the last question, do you have direct access to the CAD files to send us for quoting or kicking off projects? Yes. Okay, great. All right, so I have this set up for you for next week. And like I said, it would be, just a quick call with our team, okay? All right, and it'll be, get that email as well. All right, well, thank you so much. You have a great day, okay?
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.